Stop playing with me. Stop playing, okay? Your girl is fire with it. Haha.
Okay then. Okay then. Okay then.
Okay, so we're gonna start off. Here are the pieces of wood. These are the pallets that I got for free. So we have this. I'll put what the dimensions are on the screen as I'm showing. So 1, 2, and 3 will be together on top of each other. So 3 different rows. Then these 3, 1, 2, 3 will be together. These are smaller. They're gonna be on the. I'm gonna make like a L shape. And then this one, I'm going to make like a back for the bigger pieces. So right now I'm in the parking garage. I put some plastic down and I'm going to seal them so that they're weatherproof. I brought a gallon. I also brought another gallon just to see if I need it, but I don't plan on using the second gallon. That's just in case. I'll let you guys know if I use that. So the waterproof, so it's waterproof, stain, and sealer. I don't know if you see that. It's a waterproof, stain, and sealer. And also it's a tintable white base, because I am going to, you can get it in clear, but I got it a white base just because whatever. I am going to paint this white on top of this. So if this doesn't do a good job, I'm going to paint it white, or spray it white, whatever. Okay, so just make it do what it do. I'll show you guys after I have it stained.
Then dip me underway. You come up with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
I got this sword so I could do a little bit of cutting so it could be as close as possible to each edge. Alright, so this is basically something how it's gonna look, except this is going to be flipped around instead of the way it's looking, but it's gonna be this same exact look, but together, you know, put together. Also, I'm gonna get another layer of wood to go right here so that it can all be seamless together, because that one's a little high. Yeah.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak. Reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in the deep,
Alright, y'all, it's late. I'm calling it a night. I'm gonna go wash my paintbrush off so I can use it again tomorrow. I did 4 different palettes. Tomorrow I'm going to do these 3. Thankfully these 3 are small. They're like 2 of them are like the size of 1. So really I'm gonna be doing 1.5 tomorrow of these, which is gonna be super easy. Then I'm gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna make it do what it do. Let me go measure some more. Alright, we're back again, day 2. I don't think I'm going to cover the front of this. If I do, it'll be like with a material. I don't feel like dealing with any more wood, so yeah. I got my spray paint. I'm gonna spray white on top of the stain that I am putting. So also a little something. I got one of the sprays. I got like a white glitter. So I'll put that on the top probably just a little bit. But yeah. And also here, I also cut with this saw. It was very easy. It took a little bit of work, but it was easy for the most part. And I used this stain and sealer. And yeah, I'm about to make it do what it do again. Say my mind, my body saying, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. Boy, you got me going crazy. Oh, but you is so amazing. I cannot and that's to my body so. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Then dip me underway. Fill my breath, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So here's the finished product. I finished sealing it with the white sealer, and then I spray painted white on top of that just to give it that extra boost. And I spray painted a little bit of like sparkles on top, so it looks like a little bit sparkly when you look close at it. I'll show you guys the finished product when I put it on the balcony. Stop playing with me. Stop playing, okay? Your girl is fire with it. Breakfast on the balcony with my mom who came to visit me. It was such a vibe. I really outdid myself with this DIY couch little furniture, balcony furniture thing, and the makeover I did. Yes, these floors are done by me, okay? Look at my neighbors. They don't have this, no sweetie. And I have the bamboo sticks in each corner. It's really giving vacation vibes. And I had cushions to go on the couch, but I didn't get to finish sewing them because it was just too much work. I don't know how to sew, but it was cute still.